Then I'm also going to go over a couple of these. This worksheet is in the math drawer. You've got to do all 4 of these. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to do this one first. So we've got to bump this back to the end. It moved 1 place. So I need to move this 1 place. So now my decimal is here. I need something above the 1, the 1, the 5. Here's my decimal and something above the 5. I want to see these lines. You should have 1 digit above each thing. So 7 cannot go into 1, but it goes into 11 1 time. 1 times 7 is 7. Whoops, I did not mean to write a multiply sign. We're going to subtract. 11 minus 7 is 4, bringing down the 5. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. That goes in there 6 times. So every time something goes down, something has to go up. So here's a 6. That was 42. 5 minus 2 is 3. Bringing down the next 5. 7 goes into 35 exactly 5 times. So if I take 11.5, I want to put it into groups of 70 cents. I would get 16 and a half of those groups. Hey, this one, if I bring this back, my decimal's right here on this one. I need to bring it back, which means there's really a 0. I'm really doing 6,320 divided by 6 instead of 632 divided by 6/10. It's just easier to use those whole numbers to divide by. So I need something above the 6, the 3, the 2, and the 0. So make sure you get those 4 marks up there. So 6 goes into 6 1 time. And that is 6. Lost my train of thought there. Nothing left over. Bringing down the 3. Every time something goes down, something has to go up. I can't just skip it. I know 6 can't go into 3, but I'm not going to bring down 2. If I have 3, how many groups of 6 can I make? Well, you can't. You can make 0 groups. You have to put that 0 up there. 0 times 6 is 0. Now I have 3 left over. Now I can bring back the 2. When something goes down, something has to go up. 6 goes into 32 5 times, which is 30. And then 6 goes into 20, 6, 12, 18. And then this is actually going to go on forever and ever. So I'm going to bring this decimal up, right? And if I add another 0 here, it's just going to keep going in there 0.333333 forever and ever and ever, because that's going to keep being 18. We'll bring down a 2, so we can just end it there. So I'm going to let you try this one on your own. So move the decimal. The decimal's at the end, so move it over 1 just like we did here. So go ahead and try that one. And then make sure you get your marks here, right? So if we have to add the 0, I should have 4 numbers up here. And then our last one here, the decimal's here, so I'm dividing by 11. And I'm going to move this one here, so it's right here. So you need something above the 6, the 8, the 5. Here's your decimal, and then something above the 3. So you're really doing 685 3/10 divided by 11. So if you move the decimal here, you've got to move the decimal here. So I want you to try those 2 on your own.